You think I'm pretty without any makeup on. You think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I let my walls come down, down. Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. You
Hi guys, happy Monday. It is the start of my first full week here in Gainesville, about to start my sophomore year, and I'm so excited. Classes at UF start on Wednesday, so people don't officially start class today, but I still thought I'd I'd start the week today. I don't know what's in store. It is 10:35 right now. Not a late start to the day, but maybe I should have been up a little earlier. I'm going to head out. I'm gonna go pick up some Dunkin', and then I have to pick up some stuff at Publix. The location of my apartment, it is so ideal because it's next to everything you could possibly need. So many restaurants, so many stores, everything. So I'm gonna go get my coffee, go to Publix, and then I think I'm going to head to the rooftop of my pool to get some stuff done on my computer, like start organizing my classes and all of that. So let's get the day started, the week started, and let's get the semester started off on a great foot, on a great note. They didn't have oat milk, so I got coconut milk. Never had that before. Tastes like water.
Miss you guys.
First of all, I'd just like to say that me and Shaylee have been hanging out nonstop. Different places, doesn't matter. This is so bad. So the pool was closed. I'm gonna sit on the courtyard.
Yeah, I am feel the breeze.
That might be the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Ask you ever had a question you want to ask a guy.
It's me.
I'm scared. Anyways, update. Obviously, I'm back in my apartment now. It's been quite a bit. Last time I updated you guys, I think I was sitting on the courtyard of my apartment. Moments after that, Dylan called me and said he could pick me up because the Wi-Fi in my apartment is horrible. I need to figure that out. But the Wi-Fi in his house is real good. So him and his friends came to pick me up, and I was literally just hanging out with him and his friends. I was productive though. I was like on my computer doing stuff. Now they just dropped me off. So here I am, and now it's 5:30 already, so I'm gonna eat something because I really haven't eaten anything all day, and I'm gonna continue being productive. I'm also really tired because I went to sleep late last night, so I think tonight's gonna be an early night, but if anything changes, if I do anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. Good Monday. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Feeling good today because yesterday I was trying to like access my textbooks and like get access codes, and it was stressing me out because I couldn't figure it out, but luckily this morning I was able to do that, and I've been looking at like the syllabuses and assignments coming up for my classes, and I'm already getting a head start, which I'm excited about. I'm also pretty sure my classes are like not locked in terms of the work I could do, so not to say I'm gonna get super ahead of myself, but it's good to know that at least I have the option to get ahead on work. But anyways, in like 15 minutes, I'm gonna go meet up with two girls. I haven't met them yet, but like from home. We're like mutual friends, and I think we're all gonna get Starbucks. And I'm excited to go meet people. Besides that, I don't know what else is in store for today. Let's go. Wait, no.
Hi everyone, my name is Orly.
So we just went to Trader Joe's. We were, okay, actually run down. So we went to Starbucks, then we went to her hotel because her apartment isn't ready, so she's literally living at a hotel right now.
Oh yeah, no stop.
And then I met some of her friends. Now here we are. So, oh, my roommate went inside to Starbucks to get, but let's
We
do
took
it.
a nice little trip to Trader Joe's.
Starting off, we both got these.
Should we do taste
Yeah, we
test
should.
too?
Okay.
She like lifted this up in the store and I was like,
Wait, are you
you're
gonna
on
get
to something here. Hold on.
Here.
Okay, cheers.
Then, chocolate covered strawberries.
2 of the same Greek salads.
On that note, I got a salad, and then I got
Best one's from Trader Joe's, trust me.
Then I got vegetable fried rice. Anything that's microwavable is my cup of tea.
I got crumbled feta.
Then I got 2 juices. This vanilla almond chai protein thing, and then
That actually looks fire.
carrot juice, right?
4 cans of tuna.
The hotel room's gonna be in. Then I got mango chunks, and then I got salad. Welcome back. Food unboxing. Oh, it's too funny.
Mini pizzas. Do you end up getting
Oh
mini
yes, I
pizzas?
did. We both did. She texted me, and that's it. That concludes everything. Now we're gonna head back to the apartment.
Get these too.
Oh wait, did you not show that yet? Oh yeah, she was trying to convince me to get that, and I was like, no.
I'm gonna like force feed you one because you need to try them.
Okay, fine.
They're so good.
There will be people who are not worthy.
There's absolutely no way I actually just walked out of these. Like, we're taking a stroll, and I just
Let's go do some activities.
gonna do my skincare and hop in bed. Hey! Happy Wednesday. My roommate and I are heading to the library today to get as much work done for the whole week. Ideally, I'm thinking that every week I want to get like all my work done for the week in one day, which is doing a lot, but like in 2 days. I feel like at IU I had like my spot where we would always go do our work, and I want to find that here. So we'll probably head out in like 30 minutes. So it's 2 o'clock right now, I think. Oh, it's 2:22. Anyways, we just got back from the library. We were there for a good solid few hours, but I haven't eaten anything today, so we came back to the apartment for me to make something to eat. I'm gonna continue doing work. I also have some laundry to do, and then tonight is actually the first night we're going out. The first night I'm going out. And like at UF, people go out relatively early, which I like even more. So early night, like early start to the night. So I'm gonna make food, do my laundry, continue writing these notes that I have, and yeah. Hi guys, it's a lot later. It's 7:30 now. I showered, finished the work I was doing, got ready. Here we are now. This is what I decided to wear. This is so giving college. It's okay. I was gonna do like a little jean skirt and like Skims top, but I didn't like the way it looked. So I think this is what we're going with. My hair like half up, half down. So I think we're gonna head out at like 8, so we still have a bit of time.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But
Good morning, guys. Room conditions seems foul. Like, hi. I've been rotting on this couch doing homework for the past few hours. School. Good morning. Happy Friday. It's 9:30 and my roommate and I are gonna head out at 10 to get some coffee, go to the library and finish up our work for the week. But yeah, last night was really chill and I was actually reading a new book I've been reading and yeah. Okay, this. I'm feeling rejuvenated and ready for today and the weekend. It is now 1:45. I'm so happy. I finished all my work for the week at the library and then we came back here. I just made something to eat and here are some outfits or stuff I'm gonna try on because I'm going out again tonight, but it's kind of like an early thing, like getting ready at 4 p.m. So I have time, but I'm gonna read for a bit and then I'll start getting ready. Just showered and I'm trying stuff on. I've never worn this top before and I really think it's so cute. But I'm trying to see if maybe like with the skirt or jeans or I'll see. But I'm gonna do my makeup and then I also have to figure out if I'm gonna keep my hair down or put it up. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I ended up going with these little white boots. I think this outfit's cute. I think we're gonna head out in like 15 minutes.
Do
that again.
You gotta put it in the front line. That's a horn job.
Good morning guys. Last night we went out pretty early too, but by 9:30 I walked home. I made myself some food and then went to sleep. Today there are a bunch of darties being thrown, so my roommate and friends and I were just gonna go to a bunch of those and then definitely tonight I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm not like going out at night, but it's 9 o'clock right now. I've been up since 7:30. I'm just going to do some skincare to revive myself, but I hope you guys are doing well. So far so good. I feel like I haven't really spoken to you guys about like how I've been feeling since being here, and honestly I cannot complain. Everybody that I've met and ran into has been so nice and welcoming, and also I didn't even mention this, but I've had so many people come up to me being like, oh, I love your videos, and like just making me feel good about being here. So if that's one of you guys, I actually really do appreciate it. I did kind of break out, so that's a little unfortunate, but hopefully it clears up soon. Also, I feel like I really haven't been the best at vlogging since I've been out. Maybe it's like a trauma thing, but hopefully I'll ease my way back into like whipping out the camera when I'm out. Everybody I'm with is like supportive of it, obviously, but I don't wanna jump scare. I just made myself matcha and a bagel with peanut butter and bananas, and I'm gonna eat it. And I'm also cleaning up my space a lot. Like this bag I never unpacked, and I'm finally doing that and I'm almost done.
Done with. Oh.
So do you like holding hands?
Touching, holding hands.
Hands in a while.
Please look at me right now. It is now 6 p.m. Going out obviously isn't my forte. Like, I'm trying to push myself to like be more into it here, but it's really just not for everyone. And not to say that I didn't have a good time, but there were like a bunch of darties being thrown. We only went to one, and then the rest of my friends went to like other ones, but we just Ubered to get food and then came back here. Now I'm showered and I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day. And realistically, I think I might just end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first week here. I know I haven't been the best at recording, but I'm just like trying to get back used to recording around people. You know what I mean? Because it's not for everyone, and since I'm in a new environment, I don't want to overstep my boundaries. But that's what's going on. I'm also doing some laundry right now in case you can hear the machine going off. If you're new, obviously be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you guys here. Also, can we talk about how a week from today I turn 20? So a week from today I will no longer be a teenager. That's wild. Stay tuned for that. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye.